J 7-Star Bricks coming at you with set number 76956 at 1,212 pieces. It's the T-Rex Breakout! Yes! This is the set I've been waiting for this year. Well, the set that came out now that I've been waiting for, because there's also the Horizon set, which I love that game. But yeah, this is a really nostalgic set. Really cool scene from the original Jurassic Park movie, and we're going to build it right now. Wow, I just want to point out one thing. Lego did a great thing here where they put the stickers in a bag with the instruction book, so neither one of them got all beat up like some of my last sets. I'm looking at you, Darth Vader Meditation Chamber, where I had to wait for replacement stickers because I got so crushed. Awesome job, Lego. You learned something this year. And there we have it, the T-Rex Breakout set. Check that out. This is so cool. I'm so excited about this set. These little vignettes, these little scenes from movies, this is probably my favorite kind of Lego set now. And this has got to be one of my favorite builds of all time. This was so fun to put together. Let's start out with the awesome manual for this set. Check that out. That is so cool. And when you're going through this, I don't know if you can see this on the time-lapse cameras. I haven't edited yet. But when you're going through this, they have little blurbs. Now I can't find one. There we go. They have these little blurbs with pictures from the movies. Sometimes more than once in a step. And sometimes just at the end of like building the T-Rex or whatever. About the CD-ROM tech. It's kind of funny. And there's little blurbs in here for like the night vision goggles and all that stuff. So it's kind of cool you're putting it together. This set doesn't have the progress bar on it, but it kind of replaced those with all the little blurbs and scenes from the movie. So that's pretty cool. That's a nice instruction book. Alright, moving on. Check this out. So this is kind of set up the way they tell you to in the instruction manual. You've got Ian Malcolm inside the Ford Explorer. You got Dr. Alan Grant outside with the road flare. Those cool T-Rex tracks in the ground in the mud there. You got the kids behind the flipped over Explorer. And then you got the T-Rex with its foot on the Explorer roaring. Look at how cool that is. The broken things on there. This is such a great set. And you've got, of course, you've got Ian Malcolm's quote on the brick here.
Boy, do I hate being right all the time.
Now, my only complaint, and I'll get that out of the way first, the T-Rex is a little undersized. Just a slightly undersized from like a minifigure scale. However, I think we can agree that this is way too big for minifigure scale. So, this is the T-Rex from the T-Rex Attack, I think it was, set. And that's the T-Rex from this set. So, this one's just slightly undersized for minifigure scale. This one is way oversized for minifigure scale. But that's really my only complaint. And it's a minor complaint. You don't really notice. It's just a cool scene. It doesn't need to be to scale, I guess. So you've got the little T-Rex paddock sign here, reminding Jurassic Park visitors to take a picture of the T-Rex if he shows up for the goat. The back of this is just basically where you attach all the plants and stuff, although I do think it is funny. They do have the chain for the goat on the back, so that's pretty cool. So you've got Alan Grant. All the minifigures have rain prints, so like they're getting rained on. So that's really cool. So this Ford Explorer is not attached to the model. You can actually see where it's got two stops built in, two little mud pieces that hold it in kind of in place there so it doesn't go forward of that. And then obviously this lip in the back holds it in place there. So check that out, the Jurassic Park Ford Explorer. The grill there. There's a lot of stickers on these. They even have the Ford symbol on the back. The top on this is only held on by a couple studs, so you can just pull it off. And you can see we've got Ian Malcolm in here. We'll pull him out. He is also being rained on. See, we've got the spotlight in the back of this Ford Explorer, and Ian Malcolm's flare is in there. There's the interactive CD-ROM touchscreen. You got the two glasses of water that jiggle when a T-Rex stomps. Although that's not really how physics works, but that's okay. You can see we've got the track over here, again, and those T-Rex footprints. Everything kind of, sort of comes off here easily. You just got to be careful, because otherwise you'll pull extra bricks off. Or I've pulled this guy's foot off the ball joint before, trying to get him on and off here. He's obviously not going to stand in this pose. Let me fix him here. There we go. He does stand on his own. You just have to get the legs posed right. So this is very reminiscent of the larger T-Rex from the other Jurassic Park set that I just built. I think T-Rex Attack is what it's called. You've got the multi-part tail held on by the ball joints so you can pose it. He does have ball joints in his legs in this one. Let's stand him up a little more here. Good lord. His hands are obviously not as detailed, and he's got some less teeth. He's got less teeth because we did a smaller scale on this one. And the eyes are stickers on this one, whereas on the other one they were printed pieces. Still has a T-Rex tongue. T-Rex tongue, yeah. But he's pretty cool. You know, this one is slightly more detailed, but it's also because it's huge. And also not to scale, so, you know, I guess you gotta find that happy medium. And then we've got the flipped over Ford Explorer. You can also pull this right off. Oops. Oh, Timmy, sorry I knocked your night vision goggles out. So that's the bottom when the Ford Explorer is not lying in there. Obviously, you don't build a whole one and bury part of it. So this is kind of funny because it's built upside down. If you look at the bottom of the other one, oops, it's just Lego bricks on there. This, because it's going to be upside down, you build it a little different, so you've got the flat, and then this is where the T-Rex foot sticks on here. And then all the stickers and stuff are upside down. Yeah, if you flip it right side up, that's all it is. And then you've got the one wheel that's popped that the T-Rex tore off. And then the other ones have their tires on still. And then we got Lexi and Tim. They are covered in mud. They have smiling faces for them too, although I find that weird because if you're going to put them in this scene and they're covered in mud, I don't think they were smiling in this scene at any point. And then you got the cool little night vision goggle helmet thing going on here, if it'll focus. I love some of these stickers. No feeding, no flash, no yelling. We've got the 10,000 volt sticker. And then those repeat on the other side. You've got the lights on the top of these pylons. This is a set that like begs for an aftermarket LED lighting, especially on like the Ford Explorers. These have the light bar on the top, and then the lights on the front and stuff. These would be great for like an aftermarket LED set. That would be really cool. But yeah, that's it. That is the T-Rex Breakout set. Like I said, I love these, man. I'm so looking forward to the Star Wars ones and the Horizon Forbidden West set that's coming out. Or is it? Might be Horizon Zero Dawn. I'm not sure what game they base it on, but those are some of my favorite video games, and that's going to have a little base like this too. So yeah, I love these sets. These are awesome. Bring more of these on. I want to design some of these. I gotta build some mocks. Make some of my own Horizon sets or something. But yeah, I'm very excited about this set. It's very cool. I can't wait to put it on display. Like for now, he's just going to live right under the other Jurassic Park set. Pretty cool. Alright guys, once again, my name is Jay. You've been watching 7-Star Bricks. Thank you all for all the likes and subscribes. Keep them coming if you would. Leave a comment below, and we'll see you here next time.